These stocks have the most to lose from Trump's push to lower electricity prices. Trump administration's plan to lower electricity prices could negatively impact Constellation Energy and Vistra stocks, causing a drop in their share value. Busy now opens MamaCrowd equity round to fund micro meetings for business professionals. Italian startup Busy now launches an equity crowdfunding round on MamaCrowd to finance its networking app, Busy Moments, offering micro meetings for business professionals. The campaign aims to raise €150,000 minus €400K at a €3 million pre-money valuation. Cloth wraps treated with dirt cheap insecticide cut malaria cases in babies. Dirt cheap insecticide treated clothes cut malaria in babies by 2/3. Study shows oil drops as Trump calms Iran fears. Tech stocks slide in Asia. President Trump's comments easing Iran tensions cause oil prices to fall, while tech stocks experience a decline in Asia's markets. The financial elite aren't worried about a stock market bubble yet. But you can't afford to be so complacent. Despite the financial elite's nonchalance, investors should remain vigilant for potential stock market bubble risks, as bull markets inevitably conclude. This warning is particularly relevant following the Davos conference. Blackstone, General Atlantic-backed Liftoff Mobile files for IPO. Mobile app marketing platform Liftoff Mobile, backed by Blackstone and General Atlantic, files for an IPO, aiming to leverage banker support for growth. Public enterprises. Awqaf ministers discuss boosting cooperation to enhance asset utilization. Egypt's public enterprises and Awqaf ministers discussed boosting cooperation to enhance asset utilization, focusing on reviving and investing in historical assets for economic growth and preserving cultural heritage. The partnership aims to support the tourism and hospitality sectors and align with Egypt's vision 2030. Michael Moody, impacting MIT through leadership in auditing. Michael J. Moody, MIT's auditor since 2014, retires after a 40-year career in auditing. He guided the audit division through transformative initiatives, improved processes, and fostered collaboration. Notably, he implemented new audit reporting, data analysis, and AI cohort strategies. Chris Capital gets CCI's nod to acquire stake in Nash Industries. Private equity firm Chris Capital receives CCI's approval to acquire a stake in Nash Industries, a company specializing in box build solutions and metal stamping. The deal, requiring approval due to its size, is aimed at promoting fair competition. Shadowfax sets price band of ₹118 to ₹124 per share for IPO. Flipkart-backed logistics company Shadowfax has set a price band of ₹118-124 per share for its IPO, with a total offer size of ₹1,907.2 crore. The offering includes a fresh issue of shares and an offer for sale by investors. Listing expected on January 28. Elon Musk drops a surprise curveball on Nvidia, Yahoo Finance. Tesla CEO Elon Musk reveals unexpected AI-5 self-driving tech shift, potentially impacting Nvidia. Elon Musk accused of making up math to squeeze $134 billion from OpenAI. Microsoft, Ars Technica. Elon Musk accused of manipulating math to claim $134 billion from OpenAI and Microsoft, potentially undervaluing ChatGPT inventors' contributions. OpenAI's 2026 feat focus is practical adoption, The Verge. OpenAI aims for practical AI adoption in 2026, investing in infrastructure to bridge the gap between AI capabilities and real-world applications. 8 cars more reliable than a Toyota Camry, Jalapnak. New report finds 8 cars boasting higher reliability ratings than the Toyota Camry, challenging its long-standing reputation. People are sharing the foods that have quietly vanished from society without anyone realizing. BuzzFeed. Quietly vanished. Foods once common in restaurants and supermarkets are becoming scarce. One user shares a once ubiquitous item now hard to find. Grok's sexualized images test the limits of AI oversight, Bloomberg.com. Elon Musk downplays concerns over AI-generated explicit images amid global outcry. Bitcoin steadies at $93,000 as market braces for a bumpy week in trade war rhetoric from Davos. CoinDesk. Crypto market braces for volatility amid tariff headlines and trade war rhetoric from Davos, according to a Kraken executive. The fight for Warner Bros. Is Paramount's most embarrassing moment yet, Gizmodo. Paramount's pursuit of Warner Bros. Acquisition sparks controversy, raising questions about justification. Asian stocks face wary start as tariff feud grows. Markets wrap, Bloomberg.com. Trade tensions escalate as President Trump threatens tariffs, causing Asian stocks to start wary and treasuries to fall. This comes after a rally in investments in artificial intelligence. Trump's crusade against big tech's energy spending highlights a problem with no easy answers. MarketWatch. Trump's concerns over big tech's energy spending escalate due to AI-induced grid overload, highlighting a complex problem with no immediate solutions. Trump administration says deporting college student trying to surprise family was a mistake. Trump admin apologizes for deporting college student Eni Lucia Lopez Beloza, who was trying to surprise family for Thanksgiving. Questions raised about racial profiling by ICE. Supreme Court hacker posted stolen government data on Instagram. A Supreme Court hacker, Nicholas Moore, admitted to stealing government data and posting it on his Instagram account at Hack the Government. He targeted the Supreme Court and other federal agencies. How a Ghaziabad founder turned lockdown research into a spices brand. Ghaziabad resident Ankit Sharma leveraged lockdown research to launch Purak Spices, a spices brand committed to quality and consistency. He secured a government loan and built trust with customers through taste and product purity. How collective memory of the Rwandan genocide was preserved. MIT scholar Delia Wendel's new book explores the work of local citizens and aid workers who preserved evidence of the Rwandan genocide, turning memory into officially recognized history. The book sheds light on the ethics and politics of state sovereignty in memorializing genocide. UAE. EU discuss latest developments in the Middle East. UAE and EU leaders discuss peace efforts in the Middle East, aiming to advance regional stability. How an online MIT course in supply chain management sparked a new career. College student Kevin Power discovered a new career path in supply chain management through an online MIT course. After earning a MicroMasters credential, he was accepted into the MIT SCM Blended Masters program, which provided a balance of online and on-campus learning. His projects won awards and he secured a job within 6 months of graduation. Feeding innovation to solve complex urban problems. Myths. Norman B. Leventhal Center for Advanced Urbanism leads Mexico City initiative, tackling urban challenges through innovative solutions, cross-border collaboration, and human connections. Initiatives include repurposing a roller coaster into a public space, decarbonizing neighborhoods, and ecological restoration projects. Heavy snow could impact parts of central Georgia. Metro Atlanta mostly spared, AJC.com. Central Georgia braces for heavy snowfall, with a snow line stretching from Columbus to Macon to Warrenton, according to the National Weather Service. Curtis Samuel, Ed Oliver active for Bills vs. Broncos, NBC Sports. Bills Samuel and Oliver set to play against Broncos, potentially bolstering offense and defense respectively. Starmer brands Trump's plan to apply tariffs over Greenland, completely wrong, BBC. US President Trump proposes 10% tariffs on goods exported to the US from the 1st of February. A decision branded completely wrong by UK Labour leader Keir Starmer regarding his plan to apply tariffs over Greenland. Sentimental value sweeps European Film Awards, The Hollywood Reporter. Stellan Skarsgård and Renée Rienswe win Best Actor and Actress at the European Film Awards for the critically acclaimed film, Sentimental Value, directed by Joachim Trier. Patriots Routing Guide for Divisional Round. Saturday edition, Pat's Pulpit. Discover who New England Patriots fans should support in the NFL Playoffs Divisional Round. Detailed in this guide. Lucas. Cal Rapid Reactions, University of North Carolina Athletics. Visit to Cal yielded quick takeaways for University of North Carolina Athletics. Sources. Packers bringing back Matt LaFleur on multi-year deal, ESPN. The Packers have announced a multi-year extension for Matt LaFleur, signifying a long-term commitment as their head coach. Josh Allen off Bills injury report. Terrell Bernard and Ed Oliver questionable for Sunday, NBC Sports. QB Josh Allen removed from Buffalo Bills injury report. Set to play in Saturday's game against Denver. Terrell Bernard and Ed Oliver's status remains questionable. At Detroit Auto Show, spotlight dims for EVs, AP News. The North American International Auto Show in Detroit, previously showcasing EVs, has seen a shift this year amid President Trump's policies, dimming the spotlight on electric vehicles. Trump threatens to use Insurrection Act to deploy troops to Minnesota to put an end to protests. CBS News. ICE officer shoots man in Minneapolis protests, sparking discussion on potential military intervention by Trump under the Insurrection Act. I am very annoyed. Pharma execs blast RFK Jr.'s attack on vaccines, Ars Technica. Pharma executives, previously silent, join medical professionals in criticizing RFK Jr.'s anti-vaccine stance. Exiled Crown Prince urges world to help protesters topple Iran's government. Exiled Crown Prince calls for global support to topple Iran's government, targeting the Revolutionary Guard's leadership. Hospital violated trans complaint nurse's dignity. Tribunal rules. A hospital's changing room policy, deemed hostile by a tribunal, has violated the dignity of trans complaint nurses. Leak. Nvidia is about to challenge Intel Inside with as many as 8 ARM laptops. Nvidia set to challenge Intel Inside with up to 8 ARM-based laptops, including a 15-inch gaming model. The shift could reshape the Windows laptop market. Marshall's new hub connects to multiple Bluetooth speakers without pairing. Marshall's Head-On Hub simplifies streaming audio to multiple Bluetooth speakers without pairing. Leveraging the Bluetooth Auracast feature, it directly connects to streaming services like Spotify Connect. Dhurandhar, Collection Day 49, Ranveer Singh starrer earns 13.9 crore rupees. Ranveer Singh's Dhurandhar, earns 13.9 crore rupees in 7 weeks, setting a new record for Week 7 earnings. Warning issued after 3 deaths in 18 months at beauty spot. 3 fatalities in 18 months at a popular beauty spot have led to a warning being issued. The latest victims were Rachel and Helen Patching, who passed away under unspecified circumstances. Harriet Harman, why Labour's shambles social media plan won't be fixed by ban. Labour's social media shambles not resolved by ban. According to Harriet Harman, Subaru revives base WRX at $32,495 for 2026. Subaru's iconic WRX base model makes a comeback in 2026, offering modern features for $32,495. The limited edition series, yellow, adds a touch of flair to the top of the lineup. Dhurandhar, Day 43, film mints 1,275 crore rupees worldwide. Action-packed spy drama, Dhurandhar, earns 1.65 crore rupees on its 43rd day, surpassing new releases, now grossing 1,275 crore rupees worldwide in its 76th week. Global sports face challenges from AI slop, misinformation. Global sports grapple with AI-generated misinformation, threatening integrity and fair play. Jana Nayagan, actor Vijay gets fresh CBI summons to appear on January 19th. Actor Vijay summoned by CBI over Karur Stampede tragedy, set to appear on January 19th. SC to hear plea for film Jana Nayagan, clearance on January 15th. Can a hashtag help prevent atrocities? Study shows social media can be a powerful tool. A study suggests social media can be a powerful tool in preventing genocide and mass atrocities, provided it is used strategically. Dhurandhar, Day 41, film gives tough competition to The Raja Saab. Ranveer Singh and Akshay Khanna's Dhurandhar nears its 6th week, challenging The Raja Saab at the box office with a staggering 1,269.1 crore rupees worldwide collection. Study shows how kidnapping of athlete's father influenced society. Precedent across continents. A study reveals the far-reaching impact of a Colombian soccer star's father's kidnapping, uniting a nation, casting doubt on peace talks, and influencing perceptions of a president across continents. Top CDC vaccine advisor questions need for polio shot. Other long-standing recommendations, statnews.com. Federal vaccine advisor challenges long-standing recommendations, raising questions about polio shot and other guidelines. Doctors say this everyday habit may be doing more harm than good, AOL.com. Overhydration can be dangerous and often overlooked. Experts share who should be aware and signs to look out for. Wegovy now comes in pill form. Here's how it works, Live Science. Wegovy now available in pill form, offering similar effectiveness as injectable version. Experts delve into differences between formulations. A visual guide. What 100 grams of protein looks like on a plate, CNET. Discover how much protein 100 grams looks like on a plate in these eye-opening photos. Ensure your protein intake stays balanced. A rare, deadly fungus is making people sick in Tennessee, Gizmodo. At least 36 cases of the rare, deadly fungus histoplasmosis reported in Tennessee with a potential fatality since last fall. Heart disease deaths declined. And here's how to reduce your risk of the number one killer, NPR. Heart disease deaths have decreased, according to a new report. Learn strategies to minimize the risk of the leading cause of death. Intermountain Health offers 3 ways to reduce risk for cervical cancer, KSL.com. Discover 3 ways to lower your risk of cervical cancer through HPV vaccinations. A preventive measure against multiple HPV-related cancers. Fungal infection spreads in 2 Newtons counties. Health officials say, reg.com. A fungal infection outbreak has been reported in 2 Tennessee counties, with at least 18 known cases, according to the Tennessee Department of Health. Tiger sharks gather to mate during Maui's whale season. Finds research. Researchers from University of Hawaii at Manoa discover first ever mating hub for tiger sharks during Maui's whale season. Trump and Mid-Atlantic governors want tech companies to pay for new power plants. Trump administration. Mid-Atlantic governors urge PJM Interconnection to hold emergency power auction for new power plants, aiming to guarantee revenue for infrastructure development and combat data center developers. Speculative grid connections. Temperature shifts alter honeybee behavior but leave native bees unchanged. Rising temperatures in urban environments impact honeybee behavior, but native Australian bees remain unaffected, according to a study by Monash University. Helping companies with physical operations around the world run more intelligently. Samsara's platform aids large companies in construction, logistics, energy, and manufacturing to run more intelligently, reducing risks, saving fuel, and improving operations. Notable clients include Home Depot, Maxim Crane Works, and Mohawk Industries. US says it reached deal with Taiwan to lower tariffs and boost investments. The US signs a deal with Taiwan to lower tariffs on goods and boost investments in American tech and semiconductor sectors. Taiwanese companies pledge $250 billion in spending for US operations, driving reshoring of the semiconductor sector. Efficient cooling method could enable chip-based trapped ion quantum computers. Researchers at MIT have developed a faster and more energy-efficient method for cooling trapped ions using photonic chips, a breakthrough that could lead to scalable, efficient, and stable quantum computers. The Stream Deck Plus is back to its lowest price. The Stream Deck Plus is on sale for $159.99, offering a simple way to streamline workflow with 8 programmable keys and 4 rotary dials for customizability, ideal for music control and automating everyday tasks. Available at Amazon, Best Buy, and B&H Photo. At MIT, a continued commitment to understanding intelligence. Mitz-Siegel Family Quest for Intelligence aims to understand human intelligence, combining efforts from diverse fields. The study seeks to replicate intelligence in AI systems for real-world problem solving, with a long-term goal of revealing the fundamental principles of intelligence. Neutral atom arrays, a rapidly emerging quantum computing platform. Get a boost from researchers. Columbia physicists aim to boost quantum computing potential with neutral atom arrays, targeting thousands more qubits than current state-of-the-art. Generative AI tool helps 3D print personal items that sustain daily use. Generative AI tool enables 3D printing of personalized items for daily use, ensuring structural integrity and customized tactile properties. The AI-powered system, MechStyle, allows users to create unique items like hooks and vases by modifying 3D models and simulating impact on structure. Robotics software maker Skilled AI hits $14 billion valuation. Robotics software company Skilled AI secures $1.4 billion funding, reaching a valuation of $14 billion. as SoftBank leads the investment round. Chemists determine the structure of the fuzzy coat that surrounds tau proteins. MIT chemists reveal the structure of the fuzzy coat surrounding tau proteins. A breakthrough that could aid in the development of drugs to treat Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative diseases. The 10 most overrated liquor brands, tasting table. Discover the 10 liquor brands often overvalued in the competitive spirits market. Spending more without the commensurate quality. Find out which brands fall short in this revealing tasting table report. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is reportedly getting a camera upgrade that transcends the annual monotony. Phone Arena. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra reportedly set to revolutionize photography with a camera upgrade, promising more natural-looking photos without an upgraded sensor. Yakuza 3 Remastered will not be available to buy as a standalone game after Yakuza Kiwami 3 and Dark Ties releases next month, Eurogamer. Yakuza 3 Remastered will no longer be sold as a standalone game after Yakuza Kiwami 3 and Dark Ties release next month. My body is being battered and broken by an unlikely tormentor. Books. Slate. A personal account of the physical toll taken by excessive reading, highlighting unexpected health consequences. Rollable laptop hype meets reality. Lenovo's demo failed live on Fallon, Windows Central. Lenovo's rollable laptop demo on Fallon's Tonight Show fell flat, raising questions about case hype. Google equates Gemini's gradient design to 1984's smiling Macintosh 9 to 5 Google. Google Design blog discusses the gradient design of Gemini app, likening it to the iconic Macintosh design of 1984. Nintendo demanded Sega to put Mario's foot in front of Sonic's for Mario in Sonic at the Olympic Games. Nintendo Everything. Nintendo reportedly requested Sega to position Mario's foot in front of Sonic's for the games. Cover in the collaborative title. Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games. Grookey Community Day. Your go-to PvE guide, Pokemon Go Hub. Upcoming Community Day features Chimp Pokemon Grookey in Pokemon Go. Evolve Thwackey within 4 hours post-event for a Rillaboom. Get ready, trainers. Bose's first-gen QC Ultra headphones have returned to their best price to date. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones returned to their best price to date at $279. $150 off. Ideal for travel with comfortable build, foldable design, and best-in-class noise cancellation. In Indigo crisis, DGCA slept and CCI didn't bark. India's competition watchdog failed to act as Indigo Airline reportedly misused its dominance, while the DGCA apparently overlooked the crisis in the travel sector. Technical issue with radar halts arrivals at Birmingham Airport. A technical problem with the radar system has caused flight arrivals to halt at Birmingham Airport. Travelers are advised to check the latest updates. Allegiant to buy rival budget airline Sun Country for around $1.5 billion. Allegiant to acquire Sun Country for $1.5 billion, marking the latest consolidation move in the competitive budget airline industry. Physicists create resilient 3D solitons in the lab. Italian physicists successfully create LUM solitons, stable packets of light waves that travel through 3D space and maintain their shape even when interacting with others. This breakthrough could pave the way for advancements in quantum technology. Why? Slow travel is about to be 2026's biggest vacation trend. In 2026, slow travel is predicted to be the top vacation trend, with Americans opting for farm stays, reading trips, and exploring hidden cities. Storms spark travel mayhem and power cuts in northern Europe. Gale force winds and storms cause travel disruptions, power cuts, and school closures in northern Europe, leaving hundreds of thousands in freezing temperatures. Asylum hotel migrant evictions set to begin in the spring. Hotel evictions of asylum seekers set to commence in spring, following a High Court ruling in Epping, Essex. The Home Office will publish figures on asylum seekers living in hotels. Swiss authorities detain owner of bar where New Year's fire killed 40. Swiss authorities have detained the owner of a bar where a New Year's fire claimed 40 lives. The country observes a day of mourning for the victims. Snow blankets Italian alpine resort ahead of Winter Olympics. Italy's alpine resort Livigno receives fresh snowfall, setting an exciting prelude for the upcoming 2026 Milano Cortina Winter Olympics. Pressure mounts for answers over Swiss bar fire after victims identified. Investigations intensify following a Swiss ski resort bar fire that tragically claimed 40 lives. Authorities are under pressure to provide answers. At least 15 dead, 19 injured in Guatemala as bus plunges into ravine. At least 15 people have tragically died and 19 are injured after a bus plunged into a ravine in Guatemala. The cause of the crash remains unknown. Adjusting imports of processed critical minerals and their derivative products into the United States, the White House. .gov. The White House announces adjustments to the import of critical minerals for U.S. industries, aiming to enhance national security and economic growth. Division I Cabinet adopts new transfer windows in several sports, NCAA.org. NCAA Division I Cabinet introduces new transfer windows in several sports, including basketball, wrestling, ice hockey, and track and field. Niners LB Fred Warner doesn't rule out playing Saturday vs. Seahawks. Just taking it day by day, NFL.com. San Francisco 49ers linebacker Fred Warner remains hopeful about playing against the Seahawks on Saturday, despite an ankle injury. NASA astronauts begin bittersweet medical evacuation from space station, BBC. NASA astronauts initiate medical evacuation from the space station, expected to land off California's coast. Thousands of tourists stranded in Lapland as cold grounds flights, BBC. Thousands of tourists face disruption in Lapland as freezing temperatures ground flights at Kittilä Airport, reaching as low as -38 degrees Celsius. Niners TE George Kittle suffers torn Achilles in win over Eagles, NFL.com. San Francisco 49ers George Kittle ruled out for rest of playoffs due to torn Achilles in wild card win over Eagles. Nobel Institute rejects Machado's Peace Prize offer to Trump, Axios. Nobel Institute refuses to transfer Peace Prize to Trump, citing rules against sharing or revoking awards. Ovechkin scores 20 goals for 21st season, second most in NHL history, NHL.com. Capitals Ovechkin scores 20th goal, moving second in NHL history for most seasons with 20-plus goals. Trails Gordie Howe, who reached mark 22 times. Two-time All-Star Héctor Herrera rejoins Dynamo. Mexican soccer star Héctor Herrera rejoins Houston Dynamo, signing through 2027. The two-time MLS All-Star, who previously played for the club from 2022 to 24, returns with an impressive resume including stints with Atletico Madrid and FC Porto. He will help lead the Dynamo in the 2026 MLS season, aiming to bring another trophy to Houston. Community partners vow to erase unacceptable behavior across Falkirk. Community leaders in Falkirk vow to eradicate unacceptable behavior. Following ongoing protests and counter-protests outside the hotel housing asylum seekers, the focus is on creating a safe, respectful, and inclusive environment for all residents. Inside the SCOTUS hearing bound to be a turning point in the culture war over trans athletes in women's sports. Supreme Court hears landmark case on transgender athletes in women's sports, with attorneys arguing for and against Idaho's law protecting female sports. Discrepancies arise over graduation dates of transgender athlete Lindsay Heckett's. NBA DFS, DraftKings, FanDuel Daily Fantasy Basketball picks for Friday, January 16 include TJ McConnell. NBA DFS, TJ McConnell, Jay Huff among recommended picks for Friday, January 16. McConnell averages 10 points, 4.9 assists in 17.4 minutes. Pacers face New Orleans Pelicans, ranked 28th in scoring defense. Study says shingles vaccine may have a role in preventing or limiting dementia. New study suggests shingles vaccine may reduce risk of dementia by 20% or slow its progression. The vaccine, already available, could potentially aid in both prevention and treatment of dementia if further research supports. Findings: North India continues to battle intense cold. Fog. Delhi gets a little relief. North India grapples with intense cold and fog, with several regions experiencing sub-zero temperatures. Delhi sees a slight respite but remains below normal. The air quality remains poor in the capital, prompting GRAP3 measures. Kashmir also experiences sub-zero temperatures, but temperatures improve slightly. Delhi weather today. Mercury hits 4.3 degrees Celsius at Safdarjung. Dense fog delays multiple flights as IMD issues yellow alert. Delhi experiences a sixth day of cold wave conditions with temperatures dropping to 4.3 degrees Celsius, causing dense fog and flight delays. IMD predicts a rise in temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius in the next 5 days. A yellow alert is issued, while nearby states face orange alerts for fog, cold day, and cold wave conditions. World Championship can happen in Chennai. Anand Viswanathan Anand, Indian chess legend and FIDE vice president, believes that if 20-year-old R. Praganananda wins the candidates tournament, the World Championship could take place in Chennai against compatriot D. Gukesh. This potential match would be an emotionally charged showdown, according to Anand, who was speaking at the Jaipur Literature Festival. DW VTZG Jadhor K Testen Politiken Germain. German regional elections are underway in several states. The race is tight between CDU, SPD, and AFD. CDU is leading in Baden-Württemberg, a state with a large political influence and a history of producing chancellors. SPD leads in Rhineland-Palatinate, where they have been in power for 35 years. In Berlin, CDU is expected to maintain control. The AFD, a far-right party, is gaining support and could impact the political landscape. Trump threatens tariffs over support for US control of Greenland. US President Trump threatens tariffs on countries if they don't support American control over Greenland, causing tension and disagreement with European leaders and Greenlandic politicians. The White House justification for this move is to prevent China and Russia from gaining control of the island's critical mineral reserves. Uber Eats gives in and will subcontract riders. Uber Eats to hire thousands of riders as employees in Spain after government pressure. Following the lead of Glovo and Just Eat, this change comes in compliance with the rider law, which recognizes these workers as employees. Under European legislation, open black lens bracket dom hua close black lens bracket ikutairika. 28. Do suppinde karaageni mushaburitsuku www. Jen Takeda. 28. Unexpectedly makes a surprise appearance at a popular restaurant, exciting fans. Fagiano Okayamaga Cerezo Osaka MF Nishikawa Juno Kanzenisekide Kakutokuto Happyo Konkiwa Saganto Sudepure. Fazia no Okamura Mount acquires Cerezo Osaka MF Seikwa in full transfer and announces it. This season, they will play in Sagan Tosu. Happy birthday, Dolly. Here's every Parton album that has topped the Billboard chart, including a few surprises. Legendary country singer Dolly Parton celebrates her 80th birthday with a look back at her 11 number 1 albums across multiple genres, including a new version of Light of a Clear Blue Morning and a chart-topping bluegrass album, Run, Rose, Run. Pamela Anderson claims Tommy Lee's wife has caused their estrangement. 28 years after divorce. I don't like it. Pamela Anderson claims that the wife of her ex-husband, Tommy Lee, has caused their estrangement. 28 years after their divorce. Anderson made these comments during an appearance on SiriusXM's Radio Andy show. St. Louis Fed US Q4 GDP nowcast estimate 0.069% drop vs previous 0.345% decline. The St. Louis Fed has revised its Q4 GDP nowcast estimate to a 0.069% drop, significantly lower than the previous estimate of 0.345% decline. MSU President talks cars, education, what he said to Pete Buttigieg. MSU President Kevin Buscovich and Pete Buttigieg discussed the future of electric vehicles, education, and research partnerships during the Detroit Auto Show. Buscovich emphasized the global competition in EVs and autonomous systems, while Buttigieg highlighted the need for industry, academia, and government collaboration to lead the transformation of transportation. The unseeded player who could test Jannik Sinner early in the Australian Open. Unseeded Argentine player Sebastian Baez, with a 7-0 record this season, could pose an early challenge to Jannik Sinner at the Australian Open. Having won 7 titles in his career, Baez is showing strong hard-court form after a rough 2025 season. Peace offering. Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado presents Nobel Peace Prize to US President Donald Trump in a bid to sway his support for Venezuela's future. Trump accepts the medal, praising Machado as a wonderful woman. The gesture sparks debate over the re-awarding of the prize and raises questions about Trump's stance on Venezuela's leadership. Horsepower. No confusion over winner of the Peter Maas chase at Haydock. Confusion. A progressive 8-year-old aims for another victory in the Peter Maas chase at Haydock Park, setting up a potential Grand National run. Old Park star and Nikki Henderson's Old Park star are top contenders for the Supreme Trial. Rossington, Maine Novices Hurdle. Featured video. How tiny satellites help us track hurricanes and other weather events. Tiny satellites, developed by MIT Lincoln Laboratory, are revolutionizing weather forecasting by tracking hurricanes and other weather events more frequently. The technology has been licensed to commercial firm Tomorrow.io, aiming to enhance global weather coverage in aviation, logistics, agriculture, and emergency management. Is California really 100% drought-free for the first time in 25 years? Yes and no. Here's why. California's drought-free status confirmed by US Drought Monitor for the first time in 25 years. Yet the relief is not fully applied to the entire state. Who owns the Arctic? The thawing Arctic due to global warming triggers a competition for its hidden riches among global powers. New interactive map models dust exposure from shrinking Great Salt Lake. A new interactive map models dust exposure from the shrinking Great Salt Lake, visualizing potential health risks and suggesting water conservation as a solution. The tool is hosted at the University of Utah's Wilkes Center for Climate Science and Policy. New temperature record challenges extreme high latitude warmth paradigm. New temperature record challenges traditional views on high latitude warmth, raising concerns about future climate change. Thousands of properties to be without water until Friday, as ministers hold emergency meetings. Over 6,500 homes in Tunbridge Wells, Kent and Sussex face water outages until Friday due to burst water mains caused by severe weather. Emergency meetings are underway. The Agentic AI Leak. Unifying data and AI autonomy for 2026 customer engagement. In 2026, brands will shift towards agentic AI for customer engagement, aiming to predict and act on customer needs in real time. This approach, combining predictive capability, unified data architecture, and seamless orchestration, is expected to revolutionize marketing strategies. Lion conservation in Kenya. Why one approach does not fit all. Kenya's lions exhibit unique responses to human land use, climate, and conservation, suggesting a one-size-fits-all approach is ineffective. Tailored management strategies, involving local communities, are key for successful conservation. Displaced Palestinians weather deadly winds. Extreme cold in tents. 6 fatalities reported as heavy rain and winds flood tents of displaced Gazan families, exposing them to extreme cold weather. Superorganism raises $25 million to back biodiversity startups. Investment firm Superorganism commits $25 million to support startups addressing biodiversity loss, focusing on tech for extinction prevention, climate biodiversity intersections, and conservation tool development. US plan to exploit Venezuela's oil could eat up 13% of carbon budget to keep 1.5C limit. US plans to exploit Venezuela's oil could consume over 10% of the world's carbon budget to limit global heating to 1.5C. According to an exclusive analysis, this could exacerbate climate change and push Earth closer to catastrophe. Man dies after tree falls onto caravan during Storm Goretti. During Storm Goretti, a man lost his life as a tree fell on his caravan in Falmouth, Cornwall. More warnings for snow and ice, as tens of thousands without power. Storm Goretti brings snow and ice, leaving tens of thousands without power in Derbyshire. NASA Webb finds young sun-like star forging, spewing common crystals. NASA Science.gov. Astronomers have found a young sun-like star that may hold the key to the origin of crystalline silicates in comets at our solar system's outskirts. Oxygen-free metabolism in the bird inner retina supported by the pectin. Nature. Bird inner retina functions under chronic anoxia, relying on anaerobic glycolysis for energy due to its oxygen-free environment. As per a Nature study, probing quantum mechanics with nanoparticle matter wave interferometry. Nature. Scientists demonstrate quantum interference using sodium nanoparticles containing thousands of atoms, opening new possibilities in the study of matter wave interferometry. 4 camera-type eyes in the earliest vertebrates from the Cambrian period. Nature. Early Cambrian vertebrates, such as Mylocynnids, are found to have 4 camera-type eyes. Challenging the understanding of early vision systems. Image shows a representation of a Cambrian-era vertebrate. Enormous freshwater reservoir discovered off the east coast may be 20,000 years old and big enough to supply NYC for 800 years. Live science. A potential 20,000-year-old freshwater reservoir discovered off the east coast could supply New York City for 800 years. According to recent findings. Temporal tissue dynamics from a spatial snapshot. Nature. Single time point spatial proteomics can predict changes in tissue composition over time, offering a new approach to studying human cancers. Aging promotes microglial accumulation of slow-degrading synaptic proteins. Nature. Aging mice show accumulation of synaptic proteins in microglial cells, shedding light on neuronal changes during aging.